What's the one thing we discover that guarantees the maximum profitability of your blast booth? It's two simple words. Coming up next. Welcome to Industry Insights. In our world where everything has to be described as epic or stellar, or when losing 5 pounds is even described as one's personal journey, the term preventative maintenance seems unimportant and passive. It doesn't really grab management's attention, but it should. And here's why. Breakdowns are not an if, they're a when. The capital cost of your blast room, its related systems, and labor, not to mention the product that flows through it, not only represents a sizable investment, but also future profit. Don't think of this as a blast booth. Consider it your money machine. Preventative maintenance is the one thing that can ensure this money machine keeps running. Companies with the highest productivity are the ones who adopt the strictest preventative maintenance practices. If you don't plan regular inspections and tune-ups, you can expect to have unplanned downtime and production problems. Companies that cut corners and think they're saving money by skipping preventative maintenance end up not meeting deadlines, falling short out on production goals, and lose several-fold more in replacement parts, repairs, and lost profits than had they invested in a simple, relatively easy preventative maintenance. Okay, so no more beating a dead horse. What's the surefire solution? First, Blast One can provide your team with free maintenance checklists to make sure they're on top of the necessary daily, weekly, and monthly issues that are known to compound in future problems. Feel free to download these checklists from the link below. Secondly, Blast One offers a trusted annual service contract that handles the more complex maintenance that need quarterly or semi-annually attention. The contract also provides remote phone support to our on-site team, so if there's ever an issue, we can walk them through the solution ASAP. The one thing that guarantees the maximum profitability of your blast booth is preventative maintenance. Give us a call to find out more about our maintenance contract, and until next time, thanks for watching.